Happy New Year, everyone! Sennheiser just recently launched their new wireless headset, the CX400BT, and this is my unboxing and quick review.
Double cup, big Campari, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
Your day-to-day may change, but your enjoyment of superior sound won't. Powered by Sennheiser's leading audio technology. The new CX400BT True Wireless gives you total control over an exceptional sound experience. With passive noise cancellation, intuitive customizable controls, long-lasting battery life, and a design made for all-day comfort. They are the ideal, uncompromised choice for people that are passionate about great sound. Whether you're in the mood of calming tunes or crave some thrilling beats, the bespoke 7mm dynamic drivers of the new CX400BT True Wireless deliver high-fidelity sound with deep bass, natural mids, and a clear, detailed listening experience with built-in equalizers to enjoy amazing sound quality that's tailored to you. You can easily connect to your smartphones, either iOS or Android. Just simply download the Sennheiser Smart Control. Once it's connected, you can customize the touch control. For music, just one tap to the left buds, you can play or pause the music. One tap to right buds, you can activate the voice assistant. Tap twice to the left for the previous track, and tap twice to the right for next track. For calls function, just simply tap once the buds left or right. You can answer or end calls, and tap twice to reject calls. You can also easily adjust the volume by simply hold and press the left buds to lower the volume, and to the right is to increase the volume. If we are talking about the battery life, you will never miss a beat throughout the day. With 20 hours of battery life, 7 hours on a single charge each buds, and a further 13 hours with a small, sleek and compact charging case. The new CX400BT True Wireless Earbuds are designed to ensure you get premium sound wherever you go. It's available in two different colors, black and white. They have an ergonomic design created for all-day comfortable wearing. The earbuds achieve a perfect fit in the ear for excellent passive noise cancellation and keep the earbuds securely in place, thanks to adapter provided in choice of 4 sizes that's included in the box. So guys, after I used this amazing CX400BT Sennheiser True Wireless headset, I can really say that the sound quality is perfect. Great bass, great sound quality, either for music or phone calls. Easy to use and to connect. There's a lot of functions also that you can customize, and it's really worth it. So what do you think, guys, to this new CX400BT Sennheiser True Wireless headset? Just comment down below. And if you like the video, sub to the channel will make my day. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.